Hey there YouTube, I'm Joe, you're watching Ink&Iron. Today I have a little bit different multi-tool related video to bring to you. So this is my Victorinox Swiss Champ. I consider these multi-tools, maybe you consider them pocket knives, but you know, the fact that the Swiss Champ has like a pair of pliers on it kind of makes it a multi-tool for me. Anyway, that's besides the point. We are going to take this, every American's favorite tool on a Victorinox, the Parcel hook, and we're gonna see if I can hang from it. Supposedly you can put like 200 pounds and hang it from this hook. Well, I weigh about 150 and I do have a pull-up bar elsewhere in my apartment, so I'm gonna put a piece of paracord on it and try to just hang my body weight off of this hook, and we'll see if it's possible. This is definitely bro science, so if it breaks, that's just how it goes. But I have faith in this tool, and I'm just going to take off my pocket clip before we get over there so it doesn't mess with my grip. All right, let's go. All right, so I've got a pull-up bar, a little piece of paracord. Here's our hook, and we'll just see if I can hang from this thing. I'm going to very gently add my weight on here. I don't know what it's going to do. Oh God. Hold on. All right. Just gonna go for it, I guess. Oh my God. I'm up. It's 150 pounds on the Parcel hook. Still works. Welcome back to my desk. And yeah, it definitely worked. Parcel hook acts just like it did before, which is awesome. Side note, and I think you can see on my hand the dents, it is not comfortable to hold yourself up on a multi-tool, but if you need to pull that much weight with this thing, it is possible. All right, thank you for joining me for more multi-tool videos, including a review about the Swiss Champ coming soon. Please stick around, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I also have a Patreon if you want more content. All right, I've been Joe. You've been watching Ink&Iron. Thank you for joining me. Catch you next time.